Take out. Take out.
Meaning, remove something from inside a place. Example, he took the trash last night.
Clean up. Meaning, make a place tidy again. Example, we need to clean up the living room. Wipe down. Meaning, clean a surface with a cloth. Example, I wiped down the table in the morning.
Swipe up. Meaning, remove dirt or dust using a broom. Example, Bahram swiped up the broken glass.
Mop up. Clean liquid off a surface with a mop. Example, Nina mopped up the spilled water. Come over. Meaning, feel strange. Example, I came over all faint and weak because my sugar level was too low. Go ahead. Go ahead with. Meaning, proceed. Example, the construction of the bypass went ahead despite the protests from environmentalists. We now intend to go ahead with the final stage of the project. Head up. Meaning, be in charge. Example, he's heading up the steering committee. Pay for. Meaning, purchase. I paid £20 for the book. Pass around. Meaning, 1. Give out to everybody there. Example, the teacher passed the handout around. Arrive at. Meaning, 1. To come to some place in a city. Example, he arrived at the airport 2 hours before the flight. Meaning to. 2. To come to some decision, conclusion. Example, I arrived at a different conclusion. Ask about. Meaning, to ask for information about someone, something. Example, he asked me about my relatives. He asked me about my future plans. Ask for. Meaning, to provoke a negative reaction. You're asking for trouble. Back up. Meaning, 1. Make a copy of computer data. Example, you should always back up important files and documents so that you won't lose all your work if something goes wrong with the hardware. Meaning, 2. Support. Example, the rest of the staff backed her up when she complained about working conditions. Be against. Meaning, to oppose something. Example, I am against your plan. Be ahead of. Meaning, to be in front of the others, to be more advanced than the others. Example, the leader of the car race is 2 miles ahead of the other cars. He is ahead of everyone in his math class. Be back. Return. Example. He'll be back in 2 hours. Be in. Meaning. 1. Be at home or at work. Example. They are never in. I always get their answer phone. Meaning to. 2. Be submitted, arrive. Example. The application form must be in by 3 p.m. on Friday. Be off. Meaning. 1. Be bad, of food. Example. This yogurt must be off. It smells foul. Meaning to. 2. Depart, leave. Example. I am off home. It is 5 o'clock. Be on. Meaning. 1. Be functioning of machines. Example. The computer is on. 2. Take place. Example. The show is on for the next 3 months. 3. Take medication or drugs, especially when they affect the person badly. Example. He is on antidepressants and has become very difficult to please. Be out. Meaning. Be absent from a place. Example. She is out on a visit for the day. Believe in. Meaning. To have faith in someone, something. Examples. He believes in you. She believes in justice for all. Belong to. Meaning. To be property of someone. Examples. This house belongs to his son. This bag belongs to me. Blow up. Meaning. Explode. Example. The bomb blew up without any warning. Break down. Meaning. 1. End negotiations unsuccessfully. Example. The talks between management and the unions broke down acrimoniously. 2. Start crying. Example. He broke down in tears. Example. He broke down in tears. 3. Stop working. My car's broken down, so I came by taxi. Example. My car's broken down, so I came by taxi.